Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Accessibility widget to your WordPress website. Adding an accessibility widget can help make your website more inclusive and easier to use for all visitors. It improves user experience, supports accessibility needs, and helps ensure your site is usable by a wider audience. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WordPress website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Accessibility and open the widget. After the widget loads, you'll see several customization options. You can choose Smart Profiles or manually enable and disable modules based on your needs. From there, you can also adjust settings like color display and navigation. In the theme settings, you can change the accent color, widget position, and size to match your website. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, you'll get an installation code. Copy that code and go to your WordPress site editor. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Finally, reload your website and your accessibility widget should appear on the page. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.